Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this video, I would like to show you how to do mean difference test for one population. We can think of two cases, so in this video I would like to focus on this area. We can do Z-test once we know population variance, and we can do T-test once we don't know population variance. Let's cover G-test first. So I prepared iris data, species equals virginica. So there are 50 samples and sample mean is okay, and standard deviation okay, and standard deviation of the sample mean is standard deviation over square roots of number of observations. Right, this is same as this one. So in our program, once you activate teaching demos, we can do Z-test. So I want to show you how to get this output. So we want to test whether mu equals 6.4. So Z value can be calculated by x bar minus 6.4 over sigma is from here and over square roots of number of samples. Right. This G value is equal to our output. So the P value can be calculated by G value here, comma, true. Alright, and then two-sided, so we need to multiply by 2. Right, this is same as this p-value. So considering 5% significance level, we can reject null hypothesis. So it means that the data does not meet mu equals 6.4. The actual mean from these samples is 6.588. So let's calculate 95% confidence interval. This one. So mean minus inverse of normal distribution 0.975, because we consider 5% significance level, and times standard deviation of sample mean here. Alright, this is same as this one, so we can use this formula for upper level. Right, this is same as this one. Right, what about we don't know population variance, right? Then in this case we can think of T-test. So we want to test whether this data satisfy mu equals 6.4. This is null hypothesis. So mu 6.4. So degrees of freedom is n minus 1. So 49. And t value can be calculated by x bar minus mu over standard deviation of the sample divided by square roots of number of samples. Right, this is same as our output here, and p-value, so 1 minus t distribution, t value here, comma, degrees of freedom equals 49, comma, and true. Yeah. Again, two-sided test. So we need to multiply by 2 here, right? So this is same as this one. So again, the value is different, but Gtest or Ttest, based on whether we know variance or not, we can reject null hypothesis, considering 5% significance level. So we can say that the iris sepal length for Virginica data doesn't have mu as 6.4. Right. Finally, let's calculate 95% confidence interval for T-test. So this one, so mean minus T inverse of T distribution 0.975, comma, degrees of freedom as 49, and times standard deviation of sample mean here. Right. This is same as this one. So we can use this formula for upper level, change minus to plus. Right. Same as our output. So in this video, I wanted to show you how we can do Z-test and T-test based on whether we know population variance. I hope it was useful for you to understand mean difference test for one population. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you and if you are looking forward to seeing more useful videos in the future. Thank you.